Every new day begins with possibilities, opportunities, and challenges. From Europe to North America to Asia, we are spread out across the globe. But we are one team with one goal: to help our customers build the best. We are marine interior experts. We are MAKINEN, and we build the best with an innovative approach to marine interiors that is deadline and quality guaranteed. Cruise lines benefit from our agile new build, refurbishment, and furniture production services that save them time and money, support their business models, and enhance their brands. These best-in-class solutions keep the environment in mind and help our customers become leaders in their cruise ship niche. Proud of our Finnish heritage, MAKINEN has been making customers smile for more than 30 years. And we look forward to the next 30 years, always delivering more than promised and always keeping sustainability at the forefront of everything we do. We are MAKINEN, and with passion and courage, we are ready to help our customers build the best. MAKINEN, marine interior experts.